Where to find the best sites. Loans. Hello. So you want to know more about government grants for an HVAC system? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about government grants for an HVAC system is 0.r.msn.com. See the page titled Free Government Grants application.com. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site 0.r.msn.com, especially the page HVAC Systems, Dallas, payments as low as $99 a month. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 39223.r.msn.com. The web page Government Grant Applications, get access to 1000s of grant apps. This is the link.